Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
What is your name?
I'm Vanessa Sahagon,
How old are you?
28 years old, ma'am.
Are you married?
No, single.
How many are you in the family?
We are 9, ma'am.
And you are?
5 members in the family, ma'am.
What is your educational attainment?
I graduate at Data Center College of the Philippines, Lawag. I took up 2 years computer science, ma'am.
Why do you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong so that I can help my family for their financial needs, ma'am.
Have you discussed it with your family members?
Yes, ma'am.
Did they agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they aware that you will be away for straight 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your work experience?
I take care newborn baby. I take care 1 couple, 1 popo, ma'am.
So, you have an experience in taking care of children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how do you take care?
I need to prepare all the things, cook for the food, prepare all the things, ma'am.
As you mentioned also a while ago, you have an experience in elderly or popo, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how do you take care elderly?
I need to cook for the food for popo and I need to wash the clothes for popo, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of Chinese food you know?
I cook choy sam, steamed fish, steamed meat, fried fish, fried egg, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept your day off set by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Before taking your day off, what are the things that you should check before leaving the house?
I need to check if the house is clean, ma'am.
How will you handle yourself when you feel homesick?
I need to find another job so that I cannot feel homesick, ma'am.
Are you willing to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
I want to help my family, ma'am, for their financial needs, ma'am.
If ever you receive an emergency call from your family members in the Philippines, what will you do?
I need ask to the employer that I need to call emergency from the Philippines, ma'am.
For instance, your employer instructed you to do something but you don't understand, what will you do?
I need to ask again, ma'am.
If ever your employer wants to keep your cell phone during working hour, or even your employer will only allow you to use your cell phone during emergency, is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the quality of a good helper?
I'm a humble, patient, honest, and hardworking, ma'am.
Before we close our conversation, do you want to say anything to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. I'm willing to thank you for this chance. I'm willing to serve you and your family, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Can you give me an example of a nursery rhyme?
Head, shoulder, listen, toes, listen, toe, eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, listen, toes, listen, toes. Head, shoulder, listen, toes, listen, toe, eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, listen, toes, listen, toes. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.